Nike's ever-popular Panda Dunklo is back with a fresh twist just in time for summer 2025. Although the classic black and white color blocking remains familiar, this new version introduces subtle yet standout updates. Most notably, the midsole now features a sail hue, offering a vintage-inspired contrast to the clean upper. Adding a playful element, the pair comes with lace charms, one shaped like cherries, bringing a pop of red and green to the otherwise monochromatic look. These fun attachments echo similar design choices seen in recent desert ochre and pale vanilla releases. While the Panda style may no longer dominate the resale market as it once did, it still holds a firm place in Nike's seasonal lineup. Official product images reveal all the charming new details. The black, white and sail Dunklo will be part of a summer capsule and is set to release on Nike.com starting July 1, 2025.